Hey loves, bonjour, mabuhay, and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I am going to do a first impression as well as a feedback on my online boutique and why I am going to be returning the HERMES Avalon Washcloth. So if you're interested, just stay tuned. Hey loves, welcome back. By the way, if you're new to my channel, welcome. Hi, my name is Roma and it is so nice to meet you. In this channel, I do videos about contemporary as well as luxury items and also some motherhood lifestyle. So if you're into those topics, please consider subscribing to my channel and click the notification bell. That way you won't miss any of my video. And for those of you who have Instagram account, go and check me out on Instagram and follow me there, where I do share some OOTD and how I use or wear this item on a daily basis. And of course, if you like this video, please consider giving it a thumbs up, as it will really help the algorithms of my channel. Before I start this video, I would also like to let you know that I did put some timestamps throughout the video, so feel free to check them out in the description box down below. Okay, so without further ado, I am going to show you the item. But just to let you know, I also did an unboxing video for this item. I'm going to put the card just right there, as well as the link in the description down below. Go check it out so you have an idea how the item arrived all packaged up. Okay, so without further ado, I'm going to show you first the item itself. So it arrived in this rectangular orange box. Of course, like I've mentioned, I've already unboxed it, so I just put the ribbon once again, just, you know, for video purpose. So I'm just going to unbox it. But first of all, I would like to show you the 2023 Hermes ribbon. So it's actually like this. So as you can see, it mentioned Hermes 2023, and then in English it mentioned Astonishing Hermes, and in French, Étonnant Hermes. And I really like how the ribbon looks like, to be honest. So okay, now I'm just going to show you the item itself. So a quick unboxing, a second unboxing actually. So it arrived like this on a silk paper. So when you open it like that, the item is packaged like so. I'm just going to take off the item, and this is how the Avalon washcloth looks like. So the one that I got is in the Bleu Glacier, so it's in the color sky blue. Just to let you know, this also exists in pink, and the dimension of this cloth is 30 by 30 centimeters, and this one is in 100% cotton and made in France, and also cost currently for 60 euros. This cloth also, you can wash it for 60 degrees Celsius, and you can also put it in the dry machine, as well as you can iron it, but they have to be in the lowest temperature. So what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to give you first my impression on the online ordering as well as the delivery. So as for the online ordering, it was very fast, very efficient, and very easy. I just went to the Hermes boutique online, and the item was available under the children department. So I checked it out, everything went well. And as for the delivery, it was very fast. I think I've ordered this item around Thursday, and I have received it on a Monday morning. So delivery wise, it was very fast, and it was delivered by FedEx. As for the online shopping, like I've mentioned, very easy also. If the item is available, you just logged in and then put all the details, and voila. The only thing though is, just to let you know, I think since this year, I don't know if it's just a mishap or it's a new rules. Hermes online boutique, when you buy something under a certain amount, I'm not sure what is the exact amount, but in this case I wanted to buy this, just this alone, for 60 euros. There was the shipping fee. I know that last year, whatever the price is when I order something online, they ship it for free, but for this time there was a shipping fee of 10 euros, and it's not even the express one, it's just the standard shipping. So at first, when I wanted to buy just this item, I was like, okay, you know what, I don't want to pay a 10 euro shipping fee, especially if I'm not really, you know, wanted to have this immediately. I can still wait. So I waited, and then this time I have purchased this with another item, and due to the fact that the amount was a lot higher, the shipping fee, standard fee, was free of charge. So yeah, so just double check. I don't know if in your country if that is the case, but in Belgium, when I wanted to order just the cloth for 60 euros or even something like under 200 euros, you have a shipping fee. Well, I had a shipping fee of 10 euros, but since I have purchased this with something that in a higher price, I didn't pay any shipping fee. I will now give you my first impression on the item itself. So like I've mentioned, I have opted for the Avalon Washcloth in the color blue. First and foremost, I'm going to let you know why I opted for this particular one. It's mainly for a nod to my newborn son, and his name starts with the letter H. So when I saw this at Hermès, I was like, oh my gosh, I have to have it. So that's why I opted for this one. And I think it will be a very nice touch to carry with him as a baby. And yeah, that was the exact reason and the only reason why I bought this cloth. As for the aesthetic of it, it's very nice. It's very soft also. I think it's soft because I haven't washed it yet, so I don't know how it will be once I washed it. But apart from that, it's quite thick, so it's nice. And the only thing that I will say that kind of like a bummer is the price tag itself. I know for Hermès, 60 euros is not that expensive, but for a 30 by 30 washcloth, to be honest, 60 euros is something that is, for me, a bit high. But since it's for my baby, you know, moms for their baby, I still bought it. And then apart from that, yeah, like I've mentioned, the item itself is very nice. The color scheme is great. You have the white H on a sky blue background, and then at the back you have the H in the color blue on the white background. So yeah, to be honest, first impression, everything very nice. I love the item. I love the cloth. But I would like to let you know the reason why I am going to send it back to Hermès. It's because, to be honest, I wasn't the one who saw the damage. It was my husband. When he came home from work, I told him, hey, have a look what I have ordered and what I have received from Hermès. And then he checked it out, and then he asked me a question saying, is it normal that there's a line beside the H? And I was like, what line are you talking about? And I'm just going to show you in here. I don't know if you will be able to see it, but in here there is a loosened thread that gives it a white line, and then at the back you will not be able to see it, but there's a, in here horizontally, there's also a loose thread. And then I don't know if you will be able to see, there's the thread there. So yeah, for that reason, I am going to bring this back, because for 60 euros, having a damage, no. And I was a bit disappointed for the quality control, to be honest, because I think they should have at least check it out and do not send this kind of item all damage to clients, because yeah, like I've mentioned, I wasn't the one who saw this, and because I was so excited. So if my hubby didn't see it, I don't know, maybe we may not be able to send it back. So yeah, that is the reason why I am sending this back. As for the methods of sending it back, what I like about Hermès is that you do have 30 days guarantee to send it back for refund or for an exchange, which was quite great. So what I did was I went on my profile on the online app, and I just filled up for this item to be refunded or to be exchanged. Just to let you know that there are some items that you will not be able to send back to at the boutique, at the store itself, which I think the case for this one. So the only method that I can have is for FedEx to come pick up the item at my place, which is a good thing as well, so that I don't have to go to their warehouse. So they will be picking up this item this afternoon, free of charge. And at the same time, I also contacted Hermes client services, and I have mentioned the situation. So the customer service there asked me to send them a picture. So always take pictures with this kind of situation. I sent it to her, and then she totally mentioned to me that yes, no problem, of course we will going to refund you. I asked her if I can have an exchange. She told me that it will be easier if I purchase a new one, and with that info I told her the situation of the shipping, where she wasn't aware that since this year there's a shipping fee under a certain amount of price. So she sent me an email mentioning that I don't know if it will be exceptionally, but she told me that I can order whatever I want, whatever price it is, and I will have the shipping fee for free. So just to let you know if that will be the case for you in your country, if you'll have this kind of situation. But other than that, the situation of sending it back and then the exchange info with the customer service, with those experience, it's a great experience. So all in all, what I can say is that the online boutique experience for purchasing the item, as well as the delivery, as well as the item itself, and the method of sending it back was, great. I have nothing to say. Hermes was quite fast. But the only thing is, of course, in this situation, I'm just a little bit bummed because the item wasn't correctly checked before sending it to me, to the client, and also the shipping fee. So I hope that the shipping fee is just temporary. We'll see. And then for the quality control, I hope that it will only happen once and not anymore. Of course, it can happen, but hopefully that won't be the case for my future purchases. So in short, still quite satisfied with my Hermes experience. I just hope that this situation won't happen again, and that I will be able to purchase anything online without any shipping fee. So there you go, guys. That was my first impression on the Avalon washcloth, my experience on online purchase, as well as the delivery, and also the experience of sending it back. So I hope that this video has helped some of you there that may be on a situation where hesitating if something you receive is damaged, what to do and such. So if that was the case, please consider giving this video a thumbs up. And if you are also enjoying the contents of my channel but aren't subscribed yet, please feel free to click that subscribe button as well as the notification bell. That way you won't miss any of my video. So until then, I hope to see you soon and take care. Bye.